thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So there were a few questions on GASP, all minor ones. I thought of answering them in a video. So I'll post videos. So I'll try to post small videos on answering few questions. So the first one was how to make the character to walk by default. So when you play the GASP template, so it runs by default. So how to make it to walk by default? So for that, so you have to go to the CVP sandbox character. So I have a custom character created. So you can go to the base character on the variables input, and you can see something like character input state. So click there, and on the default value, you just need to enable wants to walk. So now when you play the character, so it walks by default, and when you press control it will run, control again to walk, and for sprint you have to press shift. So this is how you can make to walk by default. Hope that answers the question. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.